Why doesn't he answer the phone? What's going on? I wish he'd answer the phone. I'm interested in this car. I want to buy it. I want to buy that old Ford. I want to fix it up. He ain't answering the phone? No, he's not going to answer the phone. Give us an answer, buddy. Come on. Answer the phone, partner. Answer the phone, buddy.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated...
One more time. One more time, partner. Come on. Answer that, cocksucker. Let's get it on there. Answer that phone, buddy. You can do it. Come on. Answer. You son of a bitch, he ain't gonna answer it. Not gonna answer today. Not today. Don't want to sell the cars.
Your call.
Nobody wants to sell their car.
Messaging system.
Might as well leave them a message.
Rich Taylor?
Hello?
Is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options. To leave a callback number, press 5.
Hey, Dick, why ain't you answering your phone? I want to buy your car. Want to buy your car? You're not answering the phone, you son of a bitch. Answer your cocksucker. Give me a fucking slick willy here. Answer this motherfucker. Nobody answers their phone. They want to sell stuff. They don't answer. Son of a bitch. You cocksucking bitch. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I'm calling about that car for sale, sir. What's going?
Yeah, the red Impala.
Yeah, what's going on with that thing? What's up with it, buddy?
Needs a lot of work. It's a project.
It says it's got 3 flat tires on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
But can you tell me something about it? Do you got a clear title at least?
Nope, no title.
You don't even have a title on it. What is this, a parts car is what we're looking at?
Pretty much.
Okay. How much you asking on that dog?
$2,000.
Okay. Where are you located, buddy?
Plano.
All right. Now, do you got a motor and transmission that goes with that thing?
Nope.
Okay, what do you have with it? I don't know. You're not really telling me much here, buddy. I'm trying to buy this thing from you and you're not talking.
You ain't got no interior. It's just the body, basically. Body and frame.
And you're wanting $2,000 for that thing?
Yeah, I mean, I'll come down. How much you willing to offer for it?
Oh. I was actually thinking around like $250 or so. $350.
Oh, no, I can get that for one fender. That ain't gonna cut it.
So you wouldn't be better just to part it out then, since you can get that kind of money for a fender?
Yeah, I could do that.
That'd probably be the best way to do it, buddy, is, eBay it. eBay that thing. Yeah.
I ain't got time to be doing all that.
Right.
Don't pick it up and put it on the trailer.
Well, that's what my plan was. I was going to go ahead and gut it down, strip it down, and eBay it.
Well,
But you know, I got to spend my time to come get it. I got to bring my trailer out there. I got to spend my gas money.
Yeah.
That's why I was thinking possibly about $300, $400, maybe $500 maximum. I come get it.
Nah, I do $1,500. That's it.
Oh no. You don't even have a title, sir.
All right. Well, nice talking to you.
Hello. You there still? Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess the deal's off now. Now you don't want to sell the car.
Well, $1,500. I ain't gonna let it go for $500.
But $1,500, it's going to take $78,000 to restore it. Do you have doors for it? Do you got any doors to go on that thing?
Yeah, I got a couple doors.
Okay, well, let me do this. Let me think about it, and I'll call you back. Okay, buddy? Please don't call me, please. Thank you. So what we're looking at here, people, we're looking at a rotted, rusted pile of shit. We know that. It's a car that says no. It's worth about $10 at the scrap iron yard because that's all they're going to give you for it. He doesn't have a clear title. He doesn't have nothing. He's got a car. We don't even know. For all we know, the car's stolen. And he wants $1,500 best price. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say Craigslist guy, hell no, you're not getting your money for it. You won't be able to sell it. Nobody's going to buy it, especially in this economy. It's a dead deal. It's done. It's over with. Get a life, you cocksucker. Yeah, I'm calling about that car you got for sale, partner. What's going on?
Hey, how's it going?
What do you got? What kind of car is it?
I'm sorry, what car are you calling about?
How many cars you got?
I got a couple different ones listed, so...
Okay, well, this one here, it's a yellow car. It needs a lot of work on it. It's a yellow car. It's a Dodge Coronet. Who is this?
The 66 Corvette?
Yeah, who is this?
My name's Tony.
Yeah, what's going on, buddy? You're saying $6,500 on that thing.
Yes, that's what we got it priced at.
Why is that? What makes it worth that much money? Needs totally restored. It's got a 6-cylinder job.
That's definitely the case. It does need restoration, but I mean, for a mostly complete 2-door Dodge B-body, it's not a bad deal.
Okay, hold on. You're saying B-body. What do you mean B-body? What are you talking about, B? What do you mean?
That's just the designation, you know, like a coupe.
Oh, okay. This is a Mopar. You're a Mopar guy. You're one of them You're a tag guy. You go by the fender tag situation deal.
So, yep.
Okay. But you're not making a justification of saying $6,500 here, guy. How much is that car worth restored?
Depends on how you build it.
It's got a 6-cylinder, buddy.
Yes, it does, yep.
Yeah, 6 cylinders, not worth a lot of money. It looks like there's a lot of rust on that thing being a Mopar that it is. A unibody job. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll give you $1,500 cash. I'll come pick it up.
No thanks.
What else you got for sale?
Well, if that's too much money, then I don't think you're gonna like the rest of what we got.
Okay, where are you located at, buddy? Where are you at?
We're in Allen, Parker, East Plano area.
Can I come over there and look at what you got? I'll bring some cash with me. I got about $2,000 to spend. I'll bring a trailer.
Did you say $2,000?
I got $2,000. I said $2,000. You got a title for this thing?
I don't have anything that's $2,000. That's my cheapest car, $6,500.
You are shitting me. That's the cheapest car you got?
Yep.
That thing needs total restoration.
Yes, it does.
It's not even a popular body style.
That's why it's $6,500 if it was a popular.
I'll tell you what I'm going to do, buddy. I'm going to let you sell it to some cocksucker that thinks it's worth that much, and I'm going to go ahead and pass up on that deal because it's not worth more than maybe $500. Goodbye. These people are crazy. They've been watching too much TV, been watching too much reality television. It's all fake, people. Reality TV's fake. That car's not worth more than $500-600. This guy's one of them Mopar freaks that thinks he knows everything about Mopars. He doesn't know shit, you bastard son of a bitch, is all I can say. Keep your piece of shit Craigslist car and go stick it in a river somewhere. Maybe the fish might like swimming in and out of that 6-cylinder job. You bastard!
Hello?
How you doing?
Good.
I saw that truck for sale you got.
Which truck?
It's a red truck online.
The 68 GMC?
That's right.
Yeah.
Did you get that out of a storage unit?
Yep.
I think that's my uncle's truck that he gave me.
Oh, it might be, but he lost it.
Well, how did he lose it? That doesn't make sense because it's my truck.
Do what?
It's my truck. I wanted to come get it.
Okay. It don't work like that.
But why not? That's my truck. That's not your truck. That's my truck. My Uncle Johnny gave it to me.
Hey, if it's your truck, how did they sell it?
But why did they sell my truck? That doesn't make no sense, buddy. What's your name?
Contact the storage facility then.
What's your name, buddy?
Contact the storage facility.
But I don't need to. You're the one that's got my truck and I want it. Can I come over and get it?
No.
Why not? My Uncle Johnny gave me that truck. That's been in our family since it was brand new.
That's not the story on this truck. You got the wrong truck.
No, I don't. That's my Uncle Johnny's truck. We used to drink beer in that truck. We used to pick up women in that truck and have sex in it. That's my Uncle Johnny's truck. It was in a storage unit.
Where was the storage?
Well, I don't know. He moved them storage units around. He used to move them around all the time because he was always low on cash money. He'd get his stuff out and go somewhere else.
So you didn't know where your truck was?
I've been looking for that truck ever since he decided to go scale on us. He left us in the skivvies.
Well, it was in his name.
But I need my truck back so I can have it. That's what I'm telling you, buddy. Why don't you be a square deal guy and do that?
Do what now?
Why don't you be a square deal guy and work with me here, guy?
Work with you? I got $5,000 in that truck.
But that's not fair to me.
Over $5,000.
I got family relics in that truck, buddy. I got memories in that truck that'll never get paid for. That's worth a lot more than $5,000. Hello? Why are you hanging up on me like that, partner? Are you there still? Hello? He hung up on me. He doesn't want to say, give me my Uncle Johnny's truck back. That's not fair. That's not a fair deal. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. You cocksucker.